Are you struggling to connect with your students and maximize your education business? We understand the challenges you face, and we have the perfect solution for you. Meet our marketing automation software, designed specifically for educators. With over 900 integrations, effortlessly connect your LMS and personalize your outreach. Utilize deep analytics to track each student's journey and discover growth opportunities. Create highly targeted audience segments to ensure relevant reminders and communications. What sets us apart? Our unique A/B/C/D/E testing capability allows you to find the most effective content quickly. Ready to elevate your educational outreach? Start your free 14-day trial today and transform your teaching experience.